Hey there! Planning a family trip should be exciting, not overwhelming. But let's be real, between packing, booking, and keeping everyone happy, it can get stressful fast. But don't worry, we've got you covered. Here are our secrets to stress-free family travel planning. Secret number 1. Start early and make a plan. The earlier you book flights, accommodations, and activities, the better deals you'll find and the more choices you'll have. Secret number 2. Pack smart, not heavy. Create a packing checklist and stick to the essentials. For kids, pack mix and match outfits and a few must-have comfort items. And don't forget snacks. Secret number 3. Use travel-friendly apps. From itinerary planners to kid-friendly entertainment, apps can help keep things smooth. Google Maps, TripIt, and kid-friendly audiobooks are game changers. Secret number 4. Plan for delays. Bring extra snacks, activities, and a positive attitude. A little flexibility goes a long way in keeping stress levels down. Secret number 5 is to involve the whole family. Let everyone pick one activity they're really excited about. This keeps kids engaged and gives everyone something to look forward to. So there we go, our top tips for stress-free family travel. The key to a successful family trip is preparation, flexibility, and fun. Want more travel tips? Like and subscribe for more. Until next time.